Guys, this is amazing. BlackRock is short Bitcoin, and right now the Bitcoin price is $26,000. We see a lot of volume here, but we don't care for Bitcoin. We just made 630% profit trade altcoin pumps. Trades I share in the private list was MOVEZ, DoubleDice, History DAO, and ARK. Pay attention ARK, my software picked this move. Pay attention, it's all about volume spike plus buyer power. If you go to the charts on the 7 days, ARK right here, pay attention the date. Time is the more important thing when you day trade. On August 12, the volume of this coin was $39,000. On August 13, the volume of this coin was $147,000. The volume is spark 400%. That's what I'm talking about. Big moves, big returns. You see ARK? I shared this trade in private list on August 14. We bought this coin for 0.007 and we put a seller up here daily resistance 0.025. We made 220%. I made $22,000. Another huge return was MOVEZ. First pump was right here on August 15. You see all those candles right here? This is a lot of volume spark. So I shared this trade in the private list on August 15. 11 p.m. We bought this coin for 0.0016 and we put a seller up here at 0.005. We made 218%. I made $20,000. Guys, it's all about the time. My software is tracking the market and alert me every single time you get a volume spark. Okay, feel free to reach me out. I share all my trades in the private list, tradecryptotime@gmail.com. Also, if you don't like to trade, we can trade for you. We will provide you 25% return of investment. Feel free to reach me out, tradecryptotime@gmail.com. And I'd like to say welcome to our new members, Kevin and Ashley. Thanks for your time. Have a blessed day. Bye bye.